What's been hiding in GoPro's shadow for 4 years? Since 2019, we've been clutching our trusty GoPro Max, whispering, one day there'll be a sequel. Well, that day is almost here. GoPro has teased the Max 2, and this isn't just a minor refresh. It's GoPro stepping back into the ring, sleeves rolled up, ready to throw 8K punches at Insta360. The teaser dropped in early July on their official X account. No shadows, no blurry watermarks, just pure confidence. So, what do we know from that single glorious image? First, the DNA is still pure Max, dual lenses on either side, that classic 360-degree form factor, but the body looks slimmer, more streamlined. Like it's been hitting the gym while we weren't looking. It's less chunky, more refined, and I'd bet good money it's lighter too. If you've ever worn the original Max on a helmet, you know it wasn't exactly featherweight chic. This time, it feels like GoPro actually designed it with long mount sessions in mind. Bike rides, ski runs, drone rigs. And let's be real, every gram counts when you're strapping it to your head. The Max 2 already looks more modern, more in step with 2025's design language. Sleek curves, fewer hard edges, and hopefully some internal upgrades to match. Now, this is where we put on our detective hats and piece together what's coming. The original Max capped at 5.6K for 360 video, which was great in 2019, but now? Insta360's X5 just rolled up with 8K capture like it's no big deal. So yeah, if GoPro wants to be taken seriously, 8K needs to be on the table. Not just to match competition, but to future-proof the footage, especially for reframing in post. And here's where things could get spicy. AI-powered auto-framing. Imagine shooting once, then letting the camera or app pick the perfect angles, track subjects, and keep the action in frame without you scrubbing for hours in editing. Toss in intelligent motion tracking, buttery hyper-smooth stabilization dialed in for 360, and you've got a workflow so easy your tech-phobic uncle could make a killer snowboarding montage. In 2025, hardware is only half the battle. The real war's in the app. Insta360's is already miles ahead. Intuitive, powerful, no laptop needed. GoPro has to match that with flawless object tracking, effortless reframing, and smart auto edits that don't feel like a slideshow. Imagine voice-guided editing. Show me the fastest part of the ride, and the app just finds it. Add deep cloud integration for instant backup, auto-highlight reels, and quick edits while footage uploads, and the Max 2 could finally be the 360 cam for everyone, not just editing pros. Of course, we can't ignore the Insta360 X5 lurking in the corner. It's the current heavyweight, 8K 360 video, sharp image quality, a polished app, and it launched at $549. For GoPro to hit back, they'll need not just matching specs, but a little extra. Maybe better heat management, maybe longer battery life, maybe stabilization so good it feels like cheating. And here's the timeline game. GoPro teased this in early July, and they're not the type to tease half a year out. Looking at past launches, late August to early September makes perfect sense. Just in time to ride that holiday shopping wave. That means we're just weeks away from go time. And now, the million-dollar, hopefully sub-500 question, price. The original Max launched at $499, now hovers around $370. If the Max 2 lands between $400 to $500 with true 8K, killer stabilization, and smart editing, it could undercut the X5 by $50. That's not just competitive, it's aggressive. GoPro's aiming for pros, vloggers, travelers, anyone who wants one camera that does it all. So, is this the 360 comeback we've been waiting for, or is Insta360 still too far ahead? Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss when this beast drops.